Hi, Matt here from Coptrz to present to you the Ultimate Starter Survey Package. This is a one-stop shop to help revolutionise your business with drones. The survey pack consists of a carefully curated selection of industry-leading technology and training. With the purchase of this package, you will receive PFCO training to allow you to fly your drone commercially and legally, a year's subscription to Pix4D, our preferred photogrammetry software, and training to allow you to use Pix4D successfully. Out of the box, you will receive one DJI Phantom 4 RTK, one remote controller, one Phantom charging hub, 5 Phantom 4 high-capacity batteries, 2 DJI Ascendance remote batteries, one DJI RTK2 mobile station, and your safety kit. We feel that this is the perfect introductory package for businesses looking to add a drone survey service to their portfolio. The utilisation of a drone can cut site time by up to 80%. You can collect mass data from one flight to create multiple deliverables for your client. You can collect topographic and volumetric data to create site program reports. These reports can allow project managers and shareholders to view the site from above and make informed decisions from the inside. The Phantom 4 RTK is the most refined Phantom 4 yet, with an inbuilt screen and excellent mission planning software. If you think that this could be the next step for your business, you can contact us on the link below.